Learn English to Gujarati negotiation words. Objection 2.
Samadhan.
Welcome to the Verbal Wrestling Club. Hey, you are about to learn 8 powerful English to Gujarati words without falling asleep on page 2. We will use a funny story, quick drills, and a few dramatic moments that deserve imaginary background music. Our setting is a community meeting where nothing is simple, everyone has opinions, and one uncle treats every chair like a throne. Your mission is to learn these Gujarati words. Objection is
Apatti.
influence is
Prabhav.
pressure is
Daban.
compulsion is
Jabardasti.
counterargument is
Prativad.
countermeasure is
Pratiupai.
compromise is
Samadhan.
and concession is.
Chut-chat.
If that sounds like a lot, relax. Your brain loves drama, and today we are giving it a full season. The meeting begins. Picture yourself entering a town hall with free tea, serious faces, and one microphone that squeaks like a nervous duck. This is where your new words come alive. The chairperson announces a plan to repaint the neighborhood water tower bright pink with silver polka dots. Immediately, a lawyer in the back stands up and says, I have an
Apatti.
That means an objection. Another person whispers, her speech has real
Prabhav.
That means influence, because suddenly half the room stops smiling and starts thinking. Then the committee members feel
Daban.
pressure, because everyone is watching them. One poor volunteer says, I agreed only because of
Jabardasti.
That means compulsion, or being forced. Congratulations, you are now emotionally invested in a very ugly water tower. When arguments wear fancy hats. Now let us upgrade from simple disagreement to advanced intellectual ping-pong. You listen, and the words will start to stick. Person A says, pink polka dots attract tourists. Person B replies with a
Prativad.
counter-argument, or they attract confused pigeons. The engineer says, if the paint melts in the heat, we need a
Pratiupai.
That is a countermeasure, a response against a problem. Someone suggests shade covers, anti-heat paint, and, for unclear reasons, a giant umbrella. At last, the group searches for
Samadhan.
a compromise. Maybe the tower can be blue with one polite stripe instead of looking like a birthday cake in crisis. One stubborn member finally offers a
Chut-chat.
concession. Fine, no polka dots. But I demand a shiny door. Frankly, that is progress. Quick memory tricks. Let us make these words easier to remember with mini images. The stranger the image, the happier your memory becomes. See a red stop sign for
Apatti.
objection. Imagine invisible wind pushing everyone the same way for
Prabhav.
influence. Picture a balloon being squeezed for
Daban.
pressure. See a giant hand pushing someone forward for
Jabardasti.
compulsion. Imagine a debater raising one finger for
Prativad.
counterargument. Picture a shield blocking arrows for
Pratiupai.
countermeasure. See two people meeting in the middle for
Samadhan.
compromise. Imagine someone sliding a coupon across a table for
Chut-chat.
concession. Mini dialogue drill. Now you get a spoken style drill. Just repeat in your head, out loud, or dramatically at your ceiling fan. A. Do you agree with the plan? B. No, I have an
Apatti.
A. Why did everyone change their mind? B. Her words had great
Prabhav.
A. Why are you sweating before the presentation? B. Because of the
Daban.
A. Did you choose this freely? B. No, it was
Jabardasti.
A. That claim sounds weak. B. Good, I have a
Prativad.
A. The system is failing. B. We need a.
प्रत्युपाय.
A. We both want different things. B. Let us find.
समाधान.
A. Can you move a little on the price? B. I can offer a small.
छूटछाट.
Quiz time, no panic. You are doing well. Now test yourself before your brain tries to escape through the nearest window. What is the Gujarati word for objection?
आपत्ति.
What is the Gujarati word for influence?
प्रभाव.
What is the Gujarati word for pressure?
दबाण.
What is the Gujarati word for compulsion?
जबरदस्ती.
What is the Gujarati word for counterargument?
प्रतिवाद.
What is the Gujarati word for countermeasure?
प्रत्युपाय.
What is the Gujarati word for compromise?
समाधान.
What is the Gujarati word for concession?
छूटछाट.
Your final scene. Let us end the story like a proper comedy with learning, growth, and at least one ridiculous detail. Listen once more to the whole logic chain. At the next meeting, you stay calm under.
दबाण.
When someone makes a strange proposal, you raise an.
आपत्ति.
If they try emotional,
जबरदस्ती.
you notice it. If a speaker has strong,
प्रभाव.
you still think clearly. You answer with a smart.
प्रतिवाद.
Suggest a practical.
प्रत्युपाय.
Move toward.
समाधान.
And maybe accept a small.
छूटछाट.
Also, the water tower is no longer pink. Civilization survives. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just learned serious vocabulary with a slightly unserious story, which is honestly an excellent combination. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Review these words again soon.
आपत्ति. प्रभाव. दबाण. जबरदस्ती. प्रतिवाद. प्रत्युपाय. समाधान.
And
छूटछाट.
keep practicing your Gujarati a little every day, and soon these words will feel natural in real conversations.